So in this RBC Direct Investing tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to remove a stock from your watch list here on RBC Direct Investing. So once the Direct Investing app is opened up, I just want you guys to go to the bottom left, press on home, then just scroll down to the bottom to where you guys can view your watch list stocks. So for this example, I have 4 stocks here. If I wanted to remove one of these, so I'll just go to RBC at the top here as an example. I'll just go ahead and press on it. It'll then bring it to this new page right here where it tells you all this information about the stock right here. Now, sort of in the top left where it says one in watch list, and there's the star that's blue. If you go ahead and just tap that star and then untap this right here and then press on apply, the stock is no longer a part of your watch list. So as you can tell, it's disappeared right here. So if I were to go back to the home screen, and I were to scroll down, under watch list stocks right here, it is no longer part of it. So very simple process, very straightforward. That is how to remove a stock from your watch list here on RBC Direct Investing. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.